It's me again. What do you know? New cover video. What is that? My house keys are in here. My CB. Oh, there's my appointment curve for Python tomorrow. I'll be cleaning out my cooler this weekend. Kinda looks dirty. People keep throwing garbage in my cooler, I don't know why. We had a lot of rain today, didn't we? My cooler goes outside at 8. So yeah, this is me again. Hold on, I don't know. What was up top? Okay, get this put together. Except I need to get the tail light put in, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Look for seats for this car, but I'm thinking it's not gonna be easy. Like that, okay. Turn this other way. Yeah, right there. There's a run. This is the interior of this car. As it well, remember, it used to be green. I still feel everything's green, but we'll put the windows in it so I get the black put back into it. Oh my gosh, I don't know what paint is. Paint's so freaking bad in this model. Hey, redo the windows. The ones are pretty shot. I'm gonna get replace this model. See when I crack the window. And for everybody who's wondering what I don't ride a short bus because people that describe that Alan is a retard are fucking wrong, because Alan isn't a retard, because we're right here, proof. I don't ride a short bus. Those are the big buses. See, it's valid. Okay, so whoever ascribes to Alan's a retard, get off of it, okay? They're picking on me, they're making fun of me, and they're actually the people that started harassment. So, get off of it. If you don't think I'm joking, I'm not joking. So, I'll keep everybody updated on this car. It's the 87 Thunderbird. My next project is that car. That's a parts car. That's all it is. Let me show you guys the minute box. You guys are curious. That's parts car. Ooh, look at all the parts. I don't use these seats in that car. We got the center armrest to it. Well, maybe not. Chop top. Oh yeah. How's that look?
Cool.
Oh yeah. I'm glue them down. Okay. This is that Megan. Letting everybody go. Oh, someone post a comment on my update. Whoever did, better be appropriate. Peace.